Okay, so till now we were discussing more about asexual reproduction in plant by vegetative propagation, budding, fragmentation, and spore formation. Now we are going to discuss in detail about sexual reproduction in plants. Okay, so in grade 6 you have learned about the flowering plant, how the plants reproduce, what are the parts of the plant, what are the female parts of a plant and the male parts of a plant. You have learned in detail. Okay, now we are from the in the chapter getting to know the plants. Okay, and now we are going to learn how the plants sexually reproduce. Okay, so basically you have two types of flowers. Okay, so it is not like that only plants reproduce asexually, they can also reproduce sexually. Okay, so now we'll discuss how plants reproduce sexually, okay, as animals do. So basically we have two types of flowers, unisexual flowers and bisexual flowers. What are unisexual flowers? Unisexual flowers are the ones which has only one parent, either a male part of a in the flower, either it will have a male part, that is male reproductive part, or a female reproductive part. Okay, for an example, your papaya or watermelon. In a bisexual flower, the one flower, for example, China rose is nothing but your hibiscus. The hibiscus, in one flower you will have both the gametes, both the male and the female sex organs. Okay, so you could see here, this is a bisexual flower, this is a unisexual flower. So this unisexual flower has the female reproductive organs like ovary, ovule, style, stigma. Okay, whereas in the bisexual flowers, this is the female sex organ. Okay, and here it has a male sex organ. Okay, so in one flower you will have both male and female, but here in unisexual flower you have only one, either male or female. Okay, so what basically a flower is? Flower is nothing but a reproductive organ of a flowering plant, and also it is a modified part of a shoot. Okay, so you could see flowers at the tip or the terminal of a plant, or in the edges of a branch, or where the stems rises into a new portion. Okay, so now we'll discuss about the structure of the flower. Okay, first is stalk. Stalk is nothing but this portion, okay, where it just holds the flower. Okay, next is your thalamus. Thalamus is the swollen portion. Okay, this portion is what you call it as thalamus. Okay, portion of a stalk. So as the stalk goes like this, here it just gets swollen. Okay, and this is what you call it as thalamus. Okay, next petals. Petals are nothing but the brightly colored modified leaves which functions or to attracts the pollinators. Okay, so these colors, if your rose is red in color, the petals will be red. Yellow petals of a rose, pink petals of a rose. Hibiscus got that reddish pinkish red color. Okay, the colorful area of the part of a plant is nothing but the petals, flower, sorry. Sepals are nothing but the outer covering which protects the flower in the bud when it is in bud stage. Okay, so this is the sepal. Okay, it just covers the bud. So once the flower blooms, it just comes under to the flower. Stamen is the male reproductive organ, and the stamen contains the anther and the filament. Anther and filament forms a stamen. Carpel is nothing but the female organ, where it contains the stigma, style, and ovary. This is a female part and this is a male reproductive part. Okay.